This might just be one of the most beautiful cakes you'll ever make. Soft, fragrant, and absolutely unforgettable. This is a Persian Love Cake, a delicate blend of almonds, lemon, cardamom, and rose. It's the kind of cake that feels special without being complicated, perfect with tea or when you want to bake something a little different. Here's what you will need: butter, almond flour, all-purpose flour, lemon zest, fine sugar, lemon juice, cardamom powder, eggs, baking powder, salt, and rose water. Start with softened butter and sugar and beat until light and fluffy. This step is what gives the cake its soft texture, so don't rush it. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. This keeps the batter smooth and prevents it from splitting. Add rose water with the last egg. However, my batter looks curdled because the last egg that I added was cold. Next, add the almond flour and lemon zest and mix until combined. Now add the flour, baking powder, cardamom powder, and salt mixture and fold in gently. Keep the cardamom flavor very subtle, or it can overpower the other flavors and ruin the cake. Add the lemon juice and continue mixing until just combined. Transfer the batter to your pan. Smoothen the surface and bake at 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 50 minutes until golden and set. While the cake is still warm, poke holes on the surface of the cake with a toothpick and pour over a lemon, rose, and saffron drizzle. This soaks in and keeps the cake incredibly moist. Once the cake has cooled, top it with a simple lemon glaze, just enough sweetness to balance the citrus. Finish with ground or chopped pistachios and dried rose petals. It's simple, elegant, and so beautiful. This cake is elegant enough to be part of any celebration. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe for more comforting bakes like this.